Well, it's Friday. That means it's time for another Firebird Friday video. And today, a little bit different. We got a lot of little things we got to take care of. You noticed last week we pulled the gas tank out. We got to do some stuff on that. We got to take care of some little things. We got some new parts for the radiator up front. We got some new tires for them Pontiac Rally 2 wheels. And somebody got some newer stickers. So if you want one of these new stickers, I'm going to give you a couple of them for free. Just comment down below and tell me you want a couple stickers, and I'll reach out to you and get your mailing address, and I'll pop some in the mail to you. So with that today, folks, it's a little different. May not be as long as a video, but we got some stuff to do. We're going to do, and we're going to get to it here on Firebird Fridays. Oh. And before you just go anywhere, what do you think of these new caps I got here? Kind of stylish, keep the sweat out of your eyes and everything else, and keep everything up in there and together. So with that, I'm going to stop all talking. I'm going to start some wrenching and get this Firebird on the road on today's Firebird Friday. Let's go. Well, today's the day. Today's the day we're getting them tires put on them rims for the front of this Firebird. I'm excited. I can't wait to see how they look. Now, we didn't get good tires. We got bad tires, cheap tires, but they're new, and they're from the Wally world. Better to do for now. All right, just got back from Walmart. We got ourselves some tires. They're a cheap brand here, but for now, at least get them on the car so we can get some tires on the ground. All right, so here's our center cap. Now, in the Porsche world, the point of our crest points the valve stem. That's for racing, so you can find the valve stem quick. But this here, let's see here. You got these three pneumafatchers. In on one tab, all the way. Come over here, that other tab. And that third tab. There's that one. There it is. Locked into place. Woot woot. Check that out. All right, so we got some parts in this week. We got a box here. It's a pretty damn heavy box too. Well, I got myself a new fan shroud because our 67 here didn't have one. So get this out of the box, and I also ordered the bracket to attach it to the front of the car. So let's go check that out. Well, looks like we're going to have to take some hoses off and make some room to get this bad boy in there. And I'm going to have to drill some holes, it looks like. That just might have to happen too. So let's wonder if I can just disconnect this one here, and we can just slide her in. Let's just see about this. Let's move our wiring out of the way, and let me get a Phillips. Let's just take this hose clamp off here. Come on now. You haven't been on there that damn long. Over here on this side. It's almost September, and it's still freaking 100+ degrees out there right now. Kind of see if we can't just swoop this in here. Well, hell, we might have to just pull that whole bolt out down there, now won't we? I'm going to take this bolt off. Let's see, that's about enough room there to get this in there. Oh, I'm shaking. All right, so let's see if we can't squeeze this now in here. There we go. Now, that cock's in the way down there. If you can see that, let's see if we can zoom in here. Damn peacock is right in the way here. So, a damn tight fit. I say we just zip off a little bit right here. We'll have to zip that right there off and over here on this side, for the most part, yeah, that down there will fit. So I'm going to zip that part off real quick. All right, so let's see if we just can't make a little cut here. That's a little damn hot. Shit. All right, well, let's so we clean this up a little bit. I think it'll be just fine. Let's put that back on the car now. All right, so I'll move this out of the way. Bring this up and in. Kind of square it up here in the hole. That. Then down here. Oh, shit. It's not quite factory, but it certainly is not going to line up properly. This here is supposed to be that bolt kit, and as you can see, this ain't bolting up quite right. It needs to come over a little bit. I do say so myself. Well, this is not a factory radiator either, so that at least going to show us how far we got to come over before we can bolt all this in. I believe it's going to go in like that and then bolt up. Unfortunately, to get this bracket to sink in right there and clamp onto that right there, we're going to have to move this radiator over because it's just not going to work. And on top of that, I need some stuff. But so in the meantime, I'm going to undo this bracket here and this hose, drain our fluid out. That way I can move this and move it over. So let's just get to it. Let's get down in here and take off this here hose clamp. God damn it. She's already leaking. And that's good. Maybe to clean up that little oil mess we got down there too. There we go. Let her flow. Let her flow. Now the kit here for that bracket comes with this little speed nut here. So we're going to take that and line that up. I guess we'll start it out at this back one here. Probably should use a washer under this, but for this right here, I just want to be able to hold it into place so I know where the hell it needs to go to. Get this damn thing lined up here. Looks like it might need to go to that second spot. What are we working with here today? Nope. How about this one? Ding, ding, ding. That's the damn winner right there. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Well, I don't got much of a washer, so we're just going to have to spring this out a little bit here. And we're going to hold on to that for now. So we need to undo this and move this here bracket. You can see this way, that way, a little bit. So we'll take this off here. So we got a nut right here and a bolt there, and then there's one over here that I put on. Right now, once this next bolt comes out, this whole damn radiator is going to be free falling, or it should be at least. I want it to come over and I want it to snatch it up right there. That's the goal here, people. So let's see if we can't. Throw this all out. All right, now, so we got them speeding out. These are not the right size we need for this, but we're going to make it work as best we can, I hope. Let's see, we can't do it like this. So that on there, if I position I'm thinking we just take all this off, put it on the damn table. Right, so got the core sport up here. Here's our radiator. I'm watching the Thursday night Pontiac Power Hour with Buck's Garage and Punisher Le Mans, but I gotta turn them down a little bit because I got some stuff here that I got to do. Now, I'm gonna bring this in here. Well, that's gonna line up pretty damn nice right there. So let me get you in here a little bit here. So you can see here, there's that bracket. We're on that second one, and they're lining up pretty damn close. Let me go get them bolts and see if I can't get that in there for y'all. So I'm not sure, but I got them bolts in there. So I'm gonna get these locked down and tight, and then we'll put it up on here, lock it all down, and then we can get in here and get the radiator squared away. So we got the bolt in there, kind of tying this in. We got this bracket here in. So now we got the radiator situated where we want it. Now we got to take care of them holes. And I'm not too concerned about messing up this here core support because I'm gonna have to replace it anyways. There's got some rust in it, but for now it'll work. All right, let's see if we can't get this here shroud placed correctly on the radiator here. That looks good, and that looks good. We'll put one of them here bolts on. There we go. Go ahead and get this bolt in right here. Okay, so now this all kind of put together, and I'm not quite sure how they expect all this here to fit down here, but I'm not drilling anything into there just yet. I think we'll just let this hang and let's see where it goes to, but let's get back over to here. All right, let's put this into place. Got that in place now, and then we can come back in here. Oh, we lost our go ahead and get this back on. We lost it. All right, let's get these hoses on here. All right, well, we got her in. We got that fan shroud all in there now. We got the radiator positioned correctly. We got this here all put together. Everything's back in order there. And I think we might get a little bit of cooler temperatures now that fan shroud in there. Well, we were hoping to get them lug nuts with the little red center caps in from Ames Performance, but they didn't quite get it shipped in time, and I ordered it a week ago. I understand they're back there in New Hampshire, and I'm out here in Arizona. That's a big, long stretch, but I think a week is all it takes. But we're going to have to wait to put those damn things on now. So, well, there's nothing else to do tonight. Well, I told you guys this was going to be a short video tonight. We got the center caps up on those tires and those wheels. We got new rubber put on them Rally 2 wheels. And now we got the fan shroud on, and we got the radiator situated, so it's all kind of squared up. Hopefully it's going to drop down our temperatures a little bit. There's a lot more I wanted to get done tonight, but it's just getting late, and it's hot out here in Phoenix, Arizona in August. And so we're going to call it a night. If you guys are subscribers, thank you so much for hanging out with us the last 2 years. I've been working on this 67 Firebird. we're getting close. We're pretty damn close to driving this sucker full time. So I hope if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Please leave me a comment. Let me know if you saw anything I might have done wrong or you got an opinion about how it should be done. I look forward to reading it down below. And until then, I'll see you next Friday for another Firebird Friday video. And maybe we'll get that rear end finally out of this Firebird and get to working on it. Until then, guys, I'll see you next Friday. See ya.